Kubli pi baro pepe yagari khasi channel bi iman rasha pi ya ka thup khubor jang kani ka tiyo menta ki phang ki bakong san menjur ka kanhul mentri ya buntali ki matna ka benta ki jingdon kam ka jala ka sarkar jala ka yang ha ka nong rim ban shati uranium ong umintri rangba ya tai ki MDC ya ka mangtingka balawan ra da u CEM menha ka singa ar ha ka dorbar mangtingka ka KHDC Shakem Arngot, way de udukot ke HNYF, ba subapan betay bom hatem motor. Tangka Neso yaki kot jingpin bana CAA Hajan Office Embos Shillong. Beliau Menteri Rangba ya sautali ki projek ki bakentup banpin internet ya ka yaudu bat Wards Lake. Yaki ana thau hayeng dorbar om hasurok ong urakam. Lingba ke MGMP Yojing ito ki Rio Don Sub Hakaput Katem. Ngine Paimantash ki Khubor banya. Kakanhun Menteri jong ka sarkar jala mana kasing ba arjong ka tayo. Kala yakran halor ki babuntali ki mat ki bakentup ya ka Meghalaya Industrial Investment Policy, ka Meghalaya ITES Promotion Policy 2024, but ka jingshna ya ka Meghalaya Technology Park.
Hala ke Industrial and Investment Promotion Policy kane kan kentiu bat pen Khubor ya ke yok ke kot ke jela ula ba ke Meghalaya IT Enable Services Promotion Policy arah jar pusau kan pelak ban penmi kam ha ke jela kaken hun menteri kalaman juru ban thiet jaka harong kangkre na ke benta ka jaka Brad Nyut ha East Karo Hills ka sarkar kemanjur hala ke jingpin kelai ke Meghalaya Urban Affairs Service Rules arjar pusau pat Meghalaya Cooperative Service Rules arjar pulai kaken hun menteri ka kentobru ya gijing ai jing irap ha kebaya de bat kijing jia ngam jelop ki bahap ke State Disaster Response Fund SDRF shu kaken hun menteri kalamanjur ya ke jingpin yar ya ke jingpin poi boarding syakitai nong bendong lingba ka RDSS scheme.
Meghalaya has come out with the industrial the IMA, the agency, the Industries Meghalaya Agency, where basically we are trying to streamline the entire investment process, and we are trying to work towards ensuring that maximum investment in from the private sector comes into the state. And hence, in order to achieve that goal, we have come out with the new industrial and investment policy. Apart from the industrial policy, we have also come out with the IT and the ITES promotion policy. This again is being done in line with our policy to create more jobs in the IT sector. And for this to be successful, we are giving an incentive where for every new job that is created, an incentive of 3,000 rupees will be provided by government of Meghalaya. And this will be capped at 15,000 numbers, and it is on a first come first serve basis. So whichever industries or companies that come in and set up BPO sectors here in the state, we will be giving a flat, as I said, 3,000 rupees for the jobs that are created. And we are targeting and expecting that we should be able to create another 15,000 jobs through this incentive policy for the IT and ITES sector. Of course, we will have other incentives also, which are provided in the industrial policy, where the IT and ITES sectors can also take the overall benefit of. The third was that we have proposed the creation of the Meghalaya Technology Park Society. As you know that we have got already one technology park. The second phase of the technology park in Shillong is underway, which should be completed by 2025 April. And the third IT park, which is going to come up in Tura, the work order for that has been issued today, and we expect the work to start. And hence we felt very strongly that there has to be a society that manages these technology parks and overall looks at the running of these technology parks in an efficient manner. And hence the Meghalaya Technology Park Society has been created. We had some rules to be amended, so I don't want to go into details of that, but there were some rules of the Meghalaya Cooperative Service Rules 2003 and the Meghalaya Urban Affairs Service Rules. Certain amendments were proposed by the two departments. There were just minor changes, but it's overall ensuring that the streamlining of these two departments would take place. and hence those rules have been today amended and passed by the cabinet. We have also cleared today the purchase of a landfill site in Rongakre in East Karo Hills. This is the landfill site which is going to be for the town of William Nagar. And as you are all aware that these new sites will not be technically landfill sites, but they will actually be sites where recycling and segregation of waste will take place. You are aware that yesterday we had laid the foundation stone for the biomining of Martin, and the work for this has already been allotted to one agency, and we expect the work to start this week itself. And the same agency will also be working in Tura. So in similar lines for the new landfill sites also, though they are called landfill sites, but technically they will be recycling and segregation sites. So that has been cleared also by the cabinet today. We also did a small notification where in the state disaster and local disaster list, which includes many disasters under the SDRF, we have also included accidental drowning as one of the disasters, so that anybody who or any family that loses a dear one because of a drowning incident will also be eligible for the funds of roughly about 4 lakhs, if I'm not wrong, by the SDRF, which is given to the next of kin. So drowning, accidental drowning, has also been included in that list today with the approval of the cabinet. The last approval was taken for the extension of the RDSS scheme. So under the RDSS scheme, there are certain habitations which need to be further brought under the network of the electrification, those villages which have been left out. Government of India has approved that list, and the government is waiting for the official clearance and approval from the cabinet of the Meghalaya government. And once this is done, it will be sent to the central government, and this project to further connect some of the unelectrified habitations will also be taken up under the RDSS scheme. So this approval also was made today. So these were the 9 proposals and items that were taken up in the cabinet today.
Hagasi belapin kut no yakador bar mang tingka jong ka KHADC layakren halor ki babuntali ki mat khamtam kabaide baka jingpin bet yauput usam jong santali ki Shillong ki badan hapadeng ka jingya kaja ki badan hapo East Khasi Hills but kiwe ru ki kam ki ba ka KHADC kaidon bentalam
Layakren ru halor ki kam baka delimitation committee pat ki kai port jong ka jingya ki kam bat halor ka jing penjalan ni ka samoy troi kam ka KHDC san riu benai nang ta lai kren ru halor ki khajna bat jing yo bala lum da katanat market na ka yo bala pet ka council kat ba kila don kat to kat netli ki phang ne motion bala kren halor ka em ka kamai ka ji ki khasi na ka daw ka jingwan ka yi ki bana bar jela ki no ya kali tourist na bar ka jingwan ki company bahe ki ba klem ai ka me ki bru ka jela ka jing sha khang banti doyong uma ushiem ka jing here dor umarep usansar bat ki we pat ki kam balawan ra da ki MDC ki bala yo ru da ki jubab na CEM ka KHDC
ban notify ne ban recall biang lu kalau orang tak ke nama kita ki pressure yang ke isi AKBD bagi developmental scheme kepada pun ke isi dan di Shillong baru ini lagi kan untuk kita eligibility AKBD bagi delegation committee nak kita tahu langsung long ye bandan di delegation committee buat layu cuma jual problem kemudian dari kedolin ni kalau bagi kuat berwarna eligibility mereka jombaru khamtam haji yang kaya konstitusi agak jingdan bagi voters agak jing sub scheme kiwe kemudian isi hoi habagi rai dan dinotify ketika rai isi dia kewa ni perkat ni antara jumhar isi antara kini kat ni kini no dibahas akan no town committees nama paling bakadan ke 15 commission grant yang katai batantai kini hak berpendap no baru proposal de nama tak ada lagu yang ini dan tarik pengihap pendam. Di nama terkenal di orang balada limyo si kala ailang kumani ai mata tu. Ia ke skim Shillong. Yo si kawan kajian suku aklawan Shillong. Nene wat hak constituency. Balai kita Shillong kisah deprive dari kisah. Ia baik hak bersama skim balai kini gue pat Shillong yo. Nama terkenal Mr. Chairman halo katakan orang tinggi lale yang kata berdimify. Henry kumulakan di LO London Consultation dari kajian berjumut hoi dan mending wilayah Shillong seni hawanya perkhidmatan pada baru kini lengkap dengan local industri ngedon buat kini kita di Shillong atau ketua komitis. But anda wilayah Shillong ya Henry kata kami cara kami kajian kebakam bahang yang betul berdikuali. Kata di kebahagiaan punya dan mendengarsi di rota bersuku bahkan kalau urgent, bagi suku bahkan berisi dimensi dan yang masuk berarti bahwa pemilih iba iu isokia di dunia punya perhatian ke tim di berkuai buat lamu ketika letih yang berpan yang lebih ke house bersyarat recall back. Dan kedua yang kalian jadi si elu dan jisuku buat di dalam komitis, kalau kita di dalam advantages, disadvantages, dari kita menangnya how kita menjadi berperan buat penyiar menjadi. Terkata Mr. Chairman Sir bahwa bukan yang disini recall ontang nak kalian isi, mereka kaya gini orang recall ini. Terima.
Menteri Rang Baka Jilau Konrad Kesama menhaka sengi ba arjong katayo ulaong baka sorkar ka jong u da lei ru kan omsha ya ka kamti uranium hapo ka jala Meghalaya.
Kena kejingin tho jong u kalami hadin bakawai keseng bala tip kum ke North East Sunshine Trust India kala tho Delhi ban stang biang ya ka project ti uranium ha Meghalaya. Ulaong bakino kino kiseng kila ban tho omla ban khang ya kiseng bakin tho ka sorkar India Henry kane kamut pat bakade kanong rem ban yang ka sorkar jela.
We've been very clear from day one. Number one is that organizations can write. I cannot stop an organization from writing to Government of India. But that does not mean that's the stand of the government. For us, we're very clear that without taking people into confidence, without looking at all the scientific aspects of things, we are not going to allow the uranium mining to take place in our state. We're very clear about that. It is regarding people's lives, it's regarding people's health, it's regarding the future of our state. While there may be concerns from individuals who may want this and other certain sections may want to move forward in this, it has to be addressed in a very, very careful manner. And as I said, we have to take people on board. We have to be very carefully studying the impact of these things. Until then, we have to ensure that no step is taken in that direction in any way, because as I said, this is regarding the lives of the people and the future of our people.
Hagador bar mangtingka jongka KHADC hakasing ka baar hakikinta bu jingkili layakran halor ka jing ai jingbit nagbentaban shna yeng hapo kichaka balayo bo daka council naka sarkar jila.
Layakran ru halor ki jingtmu jongka Digital India Land Record Modernization Program nangta habaya de bat jing ai sana je kirang ba shnong. Layate ru halor ka jingmang tingka bala dep wanra do UCM ka KHDC ba penyai sing sim ke baya de bat ka kam kinra license khayi ka jing trei kam ka khatsan finance commission ka jing penlong ya ka monolith festival nangta halor ka jing pha tuklar ka all ribhoi karo headman association pat ka all khasi hills achik federation nangta ka jing yo lat ban pliyo thmai ki bajla ha ichamati ka jing yo lat kinong bangla ban shalan ye ki mar na dauki bat kiwe kala don ru ka demand for grants bat kiwe ki kam bakongsan ki bayade bat ki bil na lor kiwe pat
board keeping and building permission namar bakta hamkam hagile but fees ekadi hotline dalam we have in charge sampai dunia akhir ka bagase khot gelang jo ki shno ki tau shwa bagin pemerintah ni shwa bag government pemerintah nomor pengerti ya government baru konfil anulas pada yang diskus bagi program itu i badan korban ni akan ingin dari bagi kita menjaga DIRMP kepada beka digital survey na kepada dijaga apa pun sampai langsung ya kan ini nak yang punya cara presiden berbala hak meeting hak license berdiskus bagi kamtan kita macam di Citizenship di Khan Council baru mereka dia mengenai studi jai nang bagan kuno kanang dua bagi suku babla juga apa Andre pembalong yang bicara kami rap sibul nang kementar bagai yang hilang terus sedikit dan kemudian adalah di digital proses itu. Juga boleh festival kalau ban ketinam yang jenis pak jadi kenrai jamin bagi lakukan ban ajimut bagi day begitu giyeng jom hima bertak ultra lepan dalam lima ban manage baik ini kan wanra untuk bakal antara council. Nah kalian juga mencari ada bersama Pak Victor Rani yang insufficient ya dah coordination committee juga boleh festival menaikkan ban review yang kita menang ban ini yo ban berkat dari kumno ban maintain yang kita ingin spon komisioner hati gol bakal ban bandor management team number 5 ban kamu expert dia Magbalang mga bidongga joint management at engineering ban himang mautan gimana na expert joint ban ronnya ka ban maintain nya ka ban revenue man kaya kata dia kena inflation perkan lengkap apa kenyang jomu ia bicara juga bersor nangka ini orang lain kita suara kanyur kanwan nang ba kate ini by maintain pada nom sisa edi susaron na kehilangan barok lagi ini bagi long lain kate adu mentahi ketika join property jomi pada hima maupun but 60% share dari jomi 40% share dari hima maupun minang apa bahaya ke yang agreement ini berarti minang cipta dengan juga department di noyang di mana saya pak tidur kain dapat kalau begini berkata sampai yang jalan nasional hampir di dom border juga lain banget dan ini isu kalau milbon ini pada negara yang memang bapak mengapa jid ada bumi di sarjana nasional bantai sikuari di Shillong juga hal domdom siu kasih demi bagi kami kam negara yang juga istri baru kata dengan persiapan tempat bala umnu ban ada solution ini bagi kami kam saya tinggal Shillong atau Himam ini saya tetap mengkapan atau kami di kota berada berdiskusi lagi di isu nang pakai itu penilaian dan lomba nak berita ban benar yang ikhtiar boleh di Himam Shillong kita.
O Menteri Ketanat Puli Puthi jong ka sarkar jala rakam sangma ulapan paw ya ka jing sngo benya halor ka jing bam aiktien jong ka National Testing Agency NTA hakabai day bat ka exam kuwet na ka benta ki post graduate ka balawan ra ya ka jing kulmar ha ka benta jong ka jingbu jaka ya ki to ki bale puli shabar
Ka CUET examination na kementar PG kedai nadu ka khatway terik ulber hadu ka at phra terik mentahi ulber habai thu bakila don ki ba ai jingtip ba khendiat ngut ki samla pule ka jela kila lej bantho yak exam PG ka bala sya bha haki examination center shabar ka jela wat ha pedeng ba ka jela ka dep banyakren na ka liang menteri ulapan pau yak jing sngosi yak ai ka bala le da ka NTA.
So I'm not happy with what the NTA has done. So they should be prepared well. They should prepare well for if they want to take up some programs and all, they should be prepared well first. So this is I'm so despaired, and this is not the way it should happen. But they should give the minimum problem to the students, and they should try the maximum efforts to make the students comfortable. So we will still take up the matter with the NTA but we don't know details now, how many students has been allotted in other state of the country, especially in Assam. I had a word with the chairman just now, so he informed me that because of like the less number of computers, some students, minimum students has been allotted in Guwahati, somewhere nearby the state. So that's what he informed, but still we don't have the details. Well aware of this, but I've just seen the newspaper. So like this time, after pursuing the matter, at least our students will be able to write the exam both in Shillong and in Tura, as informed verbally from the NTA and the district administration today. But however, I've seen, like, I heard that there's some students being allotted to the other, still in Assam, some minimum number of students, but we don't have the details, and I don't have details also. But if we get the details, I had a word with director NTA, and if we have the details, we will still take up the matter with NTA. We will do all necessary, or whatever possible. Our efforts will be always with the students to make us students comport. So we will. But if any students have the problems, I think they will be happy to, if they can communicate to the government where they have been allotted, if others. But we will try till the last hours of the day. So we will take up the matter with the NTA. Because till now, because we know there is a CUT center in Shillong and in Tura, but NTA has not officially communicated to the state government which institutions has been designated, which college is going to prepare the examination. So NTA is yet to communicate to the state government till now. So, but they have informed the concerned institutions, if I'm not wrong. But they have not informed the state government, so we are not aware also. But we know that there is a center in Shillong and in Tura. But I feel NTA should have informed the state government too, details of all this. So they can felicitate, we can communicate to the students and to other for other necessary preparation.
Uba Ronnie Wheeling do u MLA ka Milliam constituency ubalong ru unong yalam jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ulapan phainia kala ya ka All India Trinamool Congress ha ka bay day bat ka jing bamla banya ban yang kertong na ki artali ki Lok Sabha constituency ka jalla na ka banta ban pinya khun ha ka election Lok Sabha ka ban Salong Shen.
Habaya de bat kane habaya kren Shakilat Pathai Khubor ba Roni ulakan tho ting ya ka Trinamool Congress hadin ba kala dep ban pinbnai ki kertong ban pinya khun ha ki sao pho art le ki seat ha ka jilla West Bengal klem dei slok lang bat ka seng Congress wat la ki ne ki art le ki seng sign parthe ki de ki baya trelang ha ka liang persha halok sabha bat ki bala thawru ya ka hun India block banya khun persha ek BJP ha ka election lok sabha mantau
You see, compared to West Bengal, which has about 42 seats, Lok Sabha seats, Meghalaya has only 2 seats. So, if they say that, we went ahead and declare in Meghalaya, that's why TMC is not willing to work with us. Why don't they declare that they've come to an agreement, seat sharing in West Bengal? You see, now they don't want to work with the Congress. So we'd like to question TMC leaders. Have you got some understanding with the BJP? Is there a secret understanding between the TMC and the BJP? To prevent consolidation of votes, people who would like to see a secular democratic country like India defeat BJP, which is communal, which is trying to polarize the people on, so many issues. Now let us put that question. Why doesn't TMC, who is part of the India bloc, come to an understanding and come to a seat sharing in West Bengal? If they had done that in West Bengal, perhaps we could have done it in Meghalaya too. Or is there some understanding between the BJP and TMC so that, votes get divided, opposition votes get divided and benefits the BJP? How does it benefit the TMC by not working with the India bloc, with the Congress? Or is it to benefit the BJP? To ensure that, apparently to appear, that TMC and BJP do not have any understanding. But facts state otherwise. Okay, because now the BJP understands very clearly West Bengal has a sizable number of minority votes. So if they come together, all the minority votes will get consolidated in the parties belonging to the India bloc. So there is much more, hidden behind all this. Just to blame Meghalaya, which has only 2 seats, and West Bengal has 42 seats. If 2 seats are so important to TMC and the 42 seats are not important, I think speaks volumes of their double standards.
Hadirin gitu Khubor ni sengya ship wadang ya isab ni tang shibit arbit hadirin swan phabi shpina benta kini gibi pat ki Khubor. Shakyam angot way de udkot ke HNYF ba subapan bethai bom hathem motor. Thangka neso yaki kot jingpin banasi AA Hajan office embos Shillong. Beliau Menteri Rangba ya sautali ki projek ki bakentup banpen internet ya ka yaudu bat Watts Lake. Yaki an la thau hayeng dorbar om hasurok ong urakam. Lingba ke MGMP yo jing itu ki riudan sap hakaput ketem.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.
Pilawan phabi yang sngi gri khasi channel ngene beteng bia mentai ki Khubor. Ki pulet ke East Khasi Hills District manhaksini kong jong katayo kila yo ban kem ya arngot ki brio ya ki bala suba ba ki don kti ha ga jingpin bethe yo bom IED hathamator ha kamit jong ka sinsa jan jong katayo balala.
Kat kum ga Khubor bala pelai dau SP ke East Khasi Hills District Uritoraj Ravi IPS ulayatu bakite ki arngot kibala syakem suba kidei UI bakordor nong plu badang apon rius nem karta ubana West Giant Hills District ubala syakem na Shillong kat ba way ubala suba dan kti udei udkot jang keseng HNYF uba Tarson lingba ubala san popras nem karta ubana West Giant Hills District padu bala syakem na kathain dauki halo kene gising syakem udkot ke HNYF na kaliang keseng hapo kejing yalam jong presiden uba sadon bla kila late banyak kendu ya USP ke East Khasi Hills District hakas nginengkong bahadin bala adab ya kendu ya USP na kaliang presiden ke HNYF ulaong bakaseng kan umla ban pediang ya kejing penlong langknya ya kiseng bahalang uba sadon upentip bau ne udkot uba syakem ukurteng uba Terson lingba pasan posan snem karta na dauki ba udai unong yalam bala rimha hakaseng babat mentai ya kakam kum disciplinary secretary.
Yes, so starting from the incident that happened on the night of 9th at around 10:30 p.m. Near Syndicate Bank at Punjabi Lane. So after the BDTS team of Meghalaya Police, they confirmed that it was an IED blast. We have swung into action and we have started investigating the case. Now, based on the inputs and the materials that we received, last night we arrested two people, one from Shillong and one from Doki. Both are being forwarded to court today, and let's see how many days of police custody and all we get.
Okay, and these two that have been arrested, one is from Shillong and the other is a resident of?
He is he's native of West Jaintia Hills, but presently resident in Malki, in Shillong.
Yang kedua jungi SP ningkong ni laong bau tarsan lembau de disciplinary secretary central body jong sen jungi ya. Badai rong bau beriu bola san senem tam. Tengi la persiang ban clear hor ke kes bala kemi umenen. Adalah men. Nagaliang SP uang ba kedon ki jinglap sai pulit bau don ki ha ke jing pen sai bom hang ni ko motor. Kata hi ke de ke jing pen sai nagaliang SP but yang mentah kilara you support but ki pulit tidang pa ka police custody
satu PE kumpi presiden yang keseng PE ba benar ketiga kali mentah
son udah bola senior tu asing jungi long very active senior member bola dia haka kartaru haka kamru de senior ngaya ka bangalau sya USP banongi ba person kum disciplinary secretary jong seng bundon ketiga ni kam kalong ba nimlaman pediat Tentunya nak kalian polis part ni nyong baik baik ngim kuat interfere pada ka investigation part ng polis ni supersnow mangi lang kalian ngamaru kawai long dei long ba wajai bola long ba ka kartaru banong ngaw la ya terikam lang tala apos namu banong bung le song shit ikono no kamun ya de kun ti ko bom dei ngam la ban kalian ngam ju khamlap hidup kata te banong ya ka opinion jong ka seng jong borok ki khot jong si ka seng banong ba utor sa lomba udan ti ha kan ni ka kam tin ba bom ka long dei bangim lak ya kani ka jing pun betai bom mo nalu bala betai ki bom keleng Tengani bajia motor ban su kuno than tang ya katu kaseng ya katu nong yalam seng ni katai kam de kalong ka bakala nomar kani ka isu motor kala de usia batara khmat jong bok polo jong boro di ba idon kam pun kriya noi katu te don kam ka ngaso batang don kam ka polis di pandan bakan le ambuak na ba jing pitar pai ba jing bab ban le sarkar ni ka motor kade ko ikataw ba manu sa bom long kade kam ng pulit bagin ban bot benia ba om ban su victimize lari ban su kemsuk ya ki no yalam seng balang kade na kanung seng balang kade gido jing bitar ya ka motor kade jong ta ki bobun balang ya ba kani sarkar mata laskut tang high level committee pot poi suno long kataro kade ka phang ka ba haban perkhat na kaliang polis department do sarkar
Ipasapur jong iya tu bentan yona ba ini ba basakem idon bentalang akan ke pisto tidak berpatai
kalong komne kani nadu pasdang ke pisto ini bidai orang ba sa ko dauki te kasngin ningkong do bangili siaw yakini ru palat bangkat bagi officer sarkar dengan bangkat bagi police department te damdan ini ba nginum tip hi tak snong mili siaw yakini nang nu nama ngaru ngam tip ba nama kadik snong siap bordar ba sekenong ba te don kami ke jingarap jong ite nadu bo ila yarap sedang te idon kti ba ya man badon ki meeting man badon ke jingi pendu belin lan ta idon lang baik ya keren ya kana lang baik ngai ha ke sustu kolong kumbaga kadon kti ke pisto ke miri don kti ke pisto kala ngata nimbon benta ta kumui ba
tapi ikum no habai di bukum ne pa kolong hatu kolong tangam la long ka ban long ban pun jinjari kino yalam seng balang ba
kani kadai ka kamu jong ka sarkar ban victimize ya kino yalam seng balang khamtam ya ki ala classified ya kita ke badan jinga dei bakke jelosi balong bakum ka seng engineer ba nadu bangila shimti kum ka seng ngau presiden ba shimti ya kadai kam balong bangim ya dei etro tengam la ban lagi ki member jungi ki pendu ki keren ki khana ki sendur ki ba me di lang ban ta ki khot jong saudak jong ta kai jelosi ngai gonong bangim ban jinga dei teng minum lar ban sekti ta te kata jinga dei par kalong be hakawai ka level kam dei jinga dei ka bonong ban ya telun lang ki kam ki jam bale jelosi pa kata kalong difference story
tu pinyale amna menta
kani ngin up show ya ka finding jong investigation but lada ka investigation ha ka finding kamlap bom don ye ta ka mot nginum skam jari kan ke jingle to polis di pandan kali ke ban jing tentarha ke jing pentar ke ban kapor namar kamdai tang ba terson wat ka kali jong aro pala sya talasi arsil habo boy wat ka kali ka banganya sya talasi klam da klam no te wat ki khot jing na nar tiang ru shop hawan mi police station wat ki khot na la rombai shop hawan mi police station long kalong ke ke bangim la ko jang seng bat min ap sya ke bajia ya ka finding ha kan investigation jong ka case yung da terson
Kipulit ke jelapat ke layo kem sa sangut ki Brionary Boy District ki bla subadon kti ha ketika kampen betai bom kabla jahat hemator yo molong menha sisa jan jong to yo balala ya kiti ki sangut ki Brio la kem hadien ka jingkhenra kabla penlong da ki pulit ke East Khasi Hills ringkat lang ki pulit ke Boy District menha ka sini kong jong to yo
ka Khubor pulit kaya thu ba arngot la kem na umsning pat arngot na kitai nongpo ka sarkar kaya thuru ba na kine ki Brio ki pulit kila yo ru ban kurup ya ubom IED bampat pen pethai ki Khubor ki bampat la pan pentikna lai tu bakine ki arngot ki don jing tmu ban pen pethai ya obom hanong po ki pulet ki dang pelong mentai jing toket man lap den ki wei ki bru ki barang tilang hakane ka kam ki bakan thop ya ki bayarap be pisa ba ai jakasa ba pin buri ya obom bat ki wei
Ka North East Students Organization kala beteng biang ya ka jinge ki ka jong ka ban persha ya ka mat ka baklut bha ka belong ka jing pin bana ban pentri kamno ya ka kendon jong ka CAA ya ka ba ka central government ne ka sarkar pedeng jong kari India kala sedang ban pentri kamno do ka khatar tarik mentau banai leber ajar arpusang
ha ka ne ka jing ki ka don ka jing thang gi kot ka CAA hakmat ka office jong ka embos ka ba don halai Shumer Shillong kiseng samla pule bakan thop ya ka KSU FKJ GP kila isim bentalang ha ka ne ka jing persha kila don ka jing peta ban persha ya ka CAA haki plakat bat bana la don kijing tho baka sarkar pedeng kedai ban ai da ka ILP bat ka NESO kan umla ban pedeng lano ru ya ka CAA ya kan ke ji khila alam da chairman ka NESO uba Samuel Jerwa umbala ong bai kedai la le klem da la don kijing perkat ya kirit pait baru la ong bana ka benta kijing ki ban sawan kin sarai ha kijing gelang jong ki
Gila bergerak macam perang keluar dari Amsterdam KSU
Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Nagaland, Manipur, Kunjuru, Tura, Inai Rai, Mentang Sini. Hadir baka sarkar India menin kalapan pena ya kini girul. Nementa jok Citizenship Amendment Act arja tak kendai. Nakaliang jok deso kebelayai persya. Nadu arja kan riu. Ya ka CB mengitip atau Khubor. Bat kalak CE au Disember arja tak kendai. Nakaliang jok deso hadir baka sarkar India menin kalapan pena ya kita girul, kita kendon, kibanla penderikam. Ya ka Citizenship Amendment Act. Nakaliang cungi penpau ke persya. Baka sarkar India hadir malak sauli kisnam. Bakala penlongan ya ka CA arja tak kendai. Jaka kan pek kita gijing gijing bot jing nam jong ki trai muluk jong ka than sti lami brokoi hari ni ki saus nam tam ka klem perkhat kita rei penban pose kawan ra penban lagi ni ki an ki belong persya ya kapha kamyat jong trai muluk dan ni indigenous people jong ka than sti lami i brokoi ki red pai jong ka than sti lami brokoi nyai dawa yak hok jongi nakawai kapor sakoi pat nakalong hajala Meghalaya nakalong hajala Assam Tripura Nagaland Mizoram Arunachal Pradesh dan ni Manipur nyai dawa yak hok jongi rega sarkar India jaga akan ai kita kijing lawa ki belong ka jing ada ka jing pene pensa ya ka riti ke dostur ka jing pene pensa ya ka tien ka thli henrei ka manra ban ka ne ka an ka manlong ka jing penslur ya ki bari ki buan na Bangladesh bagi dia long kita ki trairi hang ni po dari India hi berawai dan nak lihat jong so i persya ya ka ni ka jing le jong sarkar India bagi kuat benpak ke Khubor ke Basyai. Jaka Sarkar India bagi ke jingyai le mina jaka Sarkar India le se kan wanra ya ke jing sengau mong ke jing sau diau jing trai muluk nadu ki poro menshwa ban hadu ni khlemat pamenta bata ka jinga jengai kadang jengai ke jinga dei na ko ke spor syaka wei pat ban kum ke jai bendri red pan hang ni po celam Meghalaya ke jingai le mina jaka Sarkar India na ko ke snam syaka wei pat kawan ra aru ya ka jing pitar jing samla hagi bapun giliang bat kawan ra aru ke jing ya kenat ke jing bam yang sutenat baka Sarkar India kale ini ai blong persya ya kabah kamian jongi kitrai muluk dia hakum kene kapor ngin perpawi ka jing persya ka jongi ya kani gi an menta jong kasi bat ka jing persya jongi om tang hali Shillong hari hatura bat giwei pali benta jong than sti lambingi menta kasien kan so dekat par kegi isu ngin perpawi ka jing persya na mangi thang ya kini di rules dari gi an jong kasi hakani kapor menta please
Menteri Rang Baga Jelau Konrad ke sama menhaka sngi ba arjong katayo ula ong baga Citizenship Amendment Act CAA kan om kta satya ya Jela Meghalaya na babaro ki jela ki bahap apo ka 6th schedule kin om shakta dagani ka an
Habai ken ba kinong thok Khubor Konrad loong ba kajing keli ke bami hala kajing wan ra ka Sarkar India ya ke rules kedai ke rukom bahap ban board ke Sarkar ulong bana kajing yoi ke Meghalaya kane ka ain kan kta than ya ke jela namar ke jaka 6 schedule kila light na ka CAA but laju ong kendai point kendai persen henry kedai kendai point kendai persen ki jaka ki de hapok ke 6 schedule but kentai ki hap hakan non schedule kumta kan umdon jingta ke jela Meghalaya.
No, I don't have any comments on why the timing. The government of India is doing its part from terms of the bill that was passed 4 years back. It's the rules. But from Meghalaya's point of view, it doesn't really impact us much because the 6 scheduled areas are completely exempted from the CAA and hardly, as I said, we used to say 99%, but it's actually 99.9999%. There's a small section which is non-scheduled area. But apart from that, the entire scheduled area has been exempted, so it will not have any impact on the state of Meghalaya. But as I said, the question of government of India coming up with rules, those are procedures that are followed by government of India. So I don't want to comment on that.
But is government of Meghalaya going to request full exemption of Meghalaya from the CAA?
See, we're not understanding what this whole thing is. There is hardly municipal area of 2 to 3 or this entire European ward of 2 square kilometers or 1 square kilometer, whatever it is. It's really not a big impact. The entire rest of the state is exempted from it. So I think we are looking at that one dot which is there and not realizing that the rest of the 99.999% is not included. That's what is important to note. So this one dot is there because of a technical issue. Otherwise, the entire 6 scheduled area is exempted from the CAA.
Nagaliang jong unong yalam jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ubaroni viling do ubade ru MLA jong ka Mlim constituency manaksi balang jong katayo ulaong ba ka Citizenship Amendment Act kaditang kabut san perthai jong ka sang BJP kabalawan rabat pentri kam yaka haswa jong kani ka election Lok Sabha dakajing thmu ban penpia arliang yakinong shongshnong haka kerteng jong kaniam
Haka jing kren bat kilat patai Khubor ba roni ulap penrem jori kene ke jingle jong ke BJP bat ongru ba ki pai ba keri barok kawai ki de ban persya jori kene ke boy jong ke BJP.
You just see the CA. It's petty politics of the BJP. Just before the elections they brought this to divide people on religious lines, which we condemn, which we will oppose, and we request the people of India, the people of the state to vote for party that stand for secularism, people that will protect the constitution, people that will ensure that democracy is maintained. We will feel more reassured if that is part and parcel of the rules in the CA. Just by mere making statement, I don't think we can be so reassured that it will not be implemented. Let us see in the rules that they frame that 6 scheduled areas are exempted, then we will believe.
Hadirin gitu Khubor nya sange biang sa Shipor tamar shikintin ko hadirin ni tuan phai biang shapirang ya saban ni nagabenta kini kiwi pa ki Khubor Beliau Menteri Rangba ya sautali ki projek ki bakenthop banpen itenat ya ka yodu bat Watts Lake Yaki an la thau hayeng dorbar om hasurok ong urakam. Lingba ke MGMP yo jing itho ki riudan sap hakaput katem.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.
Pitaya pe ingi kari khasi channel ngin ni pitang mentai ki khubor ki barasa. Umentri rangba aga jala konrat ke sama ha kasing ba arjong katayo. Ula bo ma nong rem na ka bentaban pentri ka me ki sautali ki project. Ki bakan thop ka jingpen internet ya yodo, ka jingpen internet ya bot slick, but ki mechanized multi-level car parking ki ban penya da ki kor ki bor technology. Da ka jing thmu ban penduna ya ka jing khamya kali ha ki surok jong ka sor ba Shillong.
Menteri nang ba ola bu ya mang nong rem ha kajing yalang ka bala long Awards Lake ne nan palak hite ki South Ligi project ki kinthop ya kajing te ya commercial building ha polo mechanized multi-level car parking ha Vivekananda road hajan ka additional secretariat but kapolo commercial complex kajing pen internet ya ka yodu pat kajing pen ha bru ya ki santali ki pung ha kajela pat ya ka Awards Lake promenade.
A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Then we move on to the mechanized multi-level car parking at Vivekananda Road near Additional Secretariat and Polo Commercial Complex Phase 3. Next we have the beautification of Yodo Market. And finally, the improvement and beautification of 5 lakes in the state, and which include the Wards Lake, Malsea Lake in Eastern Air Command, the Nirman Jheel at Latkor, the Memo Lake at Williamnagar, and the Rango Karam at Resubelpara.
No real big intervention or many interventions could not happen in the past many years. In fact, for the past 52 years. And hence we strongly felt that it was an important moment in the history of the state where we would be able to transform Shillong into a modern and a more livable city and bring it at level with many cities in the country and hopefully many cities at the global level. And hence we have a dream and a desire and a vision and a goal to make Shillong city one of the best cities and one of the best capitals in the country and hopefully throughout the world. Now I know this statement sounds very ambitious, and yes, there will be many challenges that will come forward. But as we all know, every big dream starts with the first step. And when I say that, let me share with you, we have started on many fronts. Many plans and policies and programs have been planned and many are under implementation. And what we are seeing today that's going to be initiated is also going to be a very, very important part of what we are doing. We have a plan and a very ambitious plan, and we don't speak just on paper in terms of some ideas and numbers that come out from my mouth or my mind or Dr. Vijay or our ministers saying it. No. These are all done in a very scientific and a very planned manner, where we have mapped out close to 9,500 crores of funds which will be invested from various sources, including state government, including central government, including private investment in the new administrative city and in the new knowledge city that is going to come up. So when this investment takes place at that scale, in this new growth hubs, as we are going to call them, we expect to create almost close to 50,000 new jobs and opportunities of employment for our youth.
Uwene ki menteri ka sarkar jala ubadai ru MLA ka NPP urakam esama haka dorbar mangtingka jong ka jala ka barang syudem ulakran penrem ya ka jendan benta jong ka seng VPP haki ka mekhi da ka baong ba yaki an ba ikrukom trekam lathawa state assembly om haki surok kilinti kisengkien
Usama ulaong bahaka por balong dorbar kaladon ka jingduna bha na ka liang kinong yalam ka liang persya kum ka VPP kinshim benta haki jingya tainya bat dia selok ulapan kemauru ba kumno bau MLA ka VPP uba Adelbert Nongrum haba uwanra yakimat ya kren uklem yo ya ka jingkershan nala ki jong ki MLA ka parti VPP.
For legislator, assembly is the forum. It's a right forum to discuss, debate and decide. It is not the street, right? So it is not the street, and whatever the boys, whatever shouting in the street will not come to the documents, will not become the law and the rules. The rules and the law and the policy made on the floor of the house, not on the street. I think every legislator should know that the policy, the decision in the democracy, in a sovereign country like India, all things, good things must debate, discuss and decide in the floor of the house, not on the street. If there is any problem, if there is any issue, they should have taken up the matter. But this time, I have seen very less opposition members, including from BPP, has participated in the debate, the discussion, and the resolution. There is one point, there is one topic, one subject, which one honorable members of the BPP was taken off in the assembly. But is it alone? There is nobody from his own party, neither substitute. Substantiate, not participate. So I don't know why they lost interest. They should have taken up the matter for the public interest, if there is any. That means in politics, this is testimony. This is the testimony.
Menakasining kong jong ka Taiew Menteri rang ba ka jalaw kondat ki sama ulabu mau nong rim na kabenta ki laitali ki project ki bahe ki bakantup ya ka new Shillong water supply scheme ka land reclamation project bat ka waste processing and disposal site ka badan ha merten maulai bat rukum jo ya ka jingshna ya ki surok shnong hapo ka new Shillong township ha mau khanu mau padang
Hang nega program babu ya kimau nong rim ladon lang u deputy chief minister uba sengau bahalang dahar menteri ketenat PHE Marcos Marak bat ke menteri ke koi ke kya ke doktor Ampreling do bat u chief secretary DP Walang menteri lang ba ulong ba ya ke new Shillong water supply project kedai ke balamang ban penlut khat ru spa keluar tengka ke badai ke project ke balayo jingmang ke bahe na ke state funded project Hak bay day bat ki way pat ki project na kaliang menteri rang ba ulai tu ya kirukom jing pelut ki bala long hak ka jong ka benta terikam.
Mendapat inti yang mengikuti jongkalan reclamation project ada waste processing storage site at market mobile.
Manakasi ba arjong katayo pad Menteri rang ba kajalao Conrad ke sama ulasam ya ka songpisa ka ba khatsan klor tingka shakinong yo jimentoy na ka CM elevate ringka ba katay lasam ru ya ki shithi pelat songpisa lani ki sanction letter jongka Meghalaya Floriculture Mission kabalamang hado arspa sapho klor tingka
Yakine kisong pisa lasam haka CM elevate conclave arajar posau Kabalong ha usoso tham auditorium Shillong ha ka jingi don lang ka menteri karep karyang ka Dr. M. Amperin Lingdo ka MLA ka Saipung Suchenga kong Santa Mary Shela Batkiwe. Haba ai jing batai halot ka CM Elevate program menteri nang ba ulong baka sarkar kala terikam daka mission ban petin linti ya ka Meghalaya bakan long ka wei na kisipo teli kijela bahakli du hapo keri. Ulong balastang da commission ban kenjo ya ke top 10 state ban jam sekmat da ketong ban kenjo pat ya ke 10 billion US dollar economy bat benrap ya supposedly ki kabu bat itu ya supposedly ki sektor ki banlong kinongnya ya ke kali jong keroi kesan hajila ulong bakatong jong ke CM miliwet kalong ban kerja ni ki samla bakin long kinong sengkam lejong ban long ru kinong ai kam ai jam ula pentip ba kidon hadu 6000 aspa san phosau ngot kinong yo jimentoy hakane ka program kaban kot hadu san phon riu klo tengka bat kaban ai kam ai jam hadu san pho hajar ngot
program. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let us now through this video which you will witness now. It is the next part of the program of 10,93,190, and the subsidy amount given by the government is up to 5 lakhs. It's actually more than 5 lakhs. That's a subsidy percentage of 50%. We'd also like to ask Shri Johnny Limpoy from West Khasi Hills, Maushan Road. That's a check of 62,500, which is the help given by the government. Taiew Pas Jarwa from East Khasi Hills, Kharashnang Latkro, 25,000, and the government is supporting him of over 50%, that is 62,500. Let's call on Bankirlang Bukpang from East Khasi Hills, Kharashnang Latkro himself. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, we had mentioned we call Shakespeare from Southwest Khasi Hills, Maukarwat. A big hand clap as this document and booklet is being released. A big thank you to our esteemed guests and dignitaries.
And hence, CM Elevate is going to give vehicles to farmers and to different self-help groups and cooperative societies. When we started off, from the government side, there were only 20 vehicles that were given. Only 20, and some of them were vehicles which were bought by the farmers themselves. In a matter of 2 years since we started this program, we have over 181 beneficiaries under this prime, agri-vehicle. And different self-help groups today, in different parts of the state, are getting 45% subsidy to buy these vehicles. And now, not only are they able to transport their product, but they are also able to help other farmers transport their products. And because they have gone through the same problem, they will never cheat their own farmer friends. And hence, here we are creating an ecosystem. And I don't know if you see and realize how these small interventions can create a revolution in the system, because what is happening is people are already doing things. People are enterprising. People want to start their business. People want to do things where they're able to process, put up a factory, but they have no option. There is nobody to guide them. There's nobody to train them. There's nobody to tell them that we will give you financial support if you want. This is where CM Elevate comes in. And this is how we will transform the rural economy. I am pleased to inform you that today we will be giving almost, well, not today and tomorrow together, because half is here, half is in Tura. We will be giving almost 1,254 beneficiaries today, different programs through CM Elevate, and a total of 56 crores worth of projects will be given out in 2 days' time. 56 crores. And out of the 56 crores of projects, 30 crores, that is almost 60%, is subsidized by government of Meghalaya. And if the need arises, let me assure you, to promote our youngsters, to promote our entrepreneurs, and to facilitate the entire process of improving the overall earnings at the grassroots level, we will definitely, if necessary, even increase the budgetary provisions for CM Elevate and ensure that more and more people are able to create and get jobs and become job creators and not just job seekers. And that is how an economy grows. That is how the economy moves forward. And we expect that minimum of 50,000 jobs will be created only by the CM Elevate program.
Umentri Gatanat Puliputhi Jong Sarkar Jala Rakam Esangma, Ringkat Bat Unong I Buit Jong Gatanat Puliputhi Uba HM Shangpliang, Manakasi Balang Jong Katio, Kila Play Yaka Vidya Samiksha Kendra, Hapo ka Directorate of Educational Research and Training DERT, Kabadan Hapo Malki Shillong.
Katanan Pule Puthi haba kajingye trelang bat ka Samakra Siksha State Education Mission Authority of Meghalaya SEMAM lingba ka Vidya Samiksha Kendra kadon kajingtmu ban aibor kikna pule ban kanjo ya kajing ang not lingba ka Pule Puthi ka babiang ta ka bayai lang lingba kajing kershan jong ka Artificial Intelligence AI ya ka Vidya Samiksha Kendra Kabala Penkha da Ministry of Education kalongkum ki bol bonjai kan kentiu ya kerukom trikam jeng ketanat Pule Puthi haba ya kran hak jingalang ora khame sangma la batai ki jing bentoy ki babon jeng kane ka jingstang par ka basing thu ba kane ka kam ka bahap yale ha ka bastang hele ka khusnam ka bahadin kalong ka babiang pha ha kane ka program la yoru ka jingkren naw nong ai boj ketanat Pule Puthi ba HM Shangpliang.
And therefore with a system I think we will be able to understand the performance of our children's uniformity, but nothing is perfect on the earth. This system, yes, may not be a system that perfectly work. We may not be able to track the perfect performance of any students or any institutions, any teacher, and also there is always a way to manipulate. So today, I want to request each one of you, let's be faithful on our responsibility. Let's not manipulate. I'll just give some idea how to manipulate. While doing assessment, some teacher may do the marking for all the students and get the picture and upload in the system. Then you will see 100% performance. But allow the system work to meet the objective. It is not. We are here not to see the 100% performance, but we are here, the system designed to understand the reality of the ground situation of our children and our schools. Therefore, please do not manipulate. Allow the system to get a real picture of our state. I know some teachers will adopt this, my policy that I have told you. There will be some ideas. So, but my only request, let's be faithful on our responsibility and let's. The system will be just a system, that's technology. unless we contribute for its betterment.
That real-time data, real-time facts is going to come in the hands of the director and the senior officers and even to the minister. What more can we ask? We will be able to know about the ability of the teachers. We'll be able to know about the standard of the schools. We'll be able to know about the proficiencies and about the ability of the students as well. I was even more impressed yesterday when we visited along the Honorable Minister at the Government Girls High School, where there was a presentation of the emblems. Now this emblems is something that we are going to make assessment of the students. Now perhaps in the days to come, with this kind of monitoring that's going on, the assessment that we are conducting on the students, we may not need to have half-yearly exams or final exams for promotions. The assessment itself performs like a report card on the ability of the child and on the knowledge that the child has attained. Therefore, I must say that the department has achieved a milestone today in launching this program. I must thank the Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Conrad Sangma, who has always and continuously been supportive of every move and every venture that the Education Department has put forward.
Menteri Rangba Kajala, Ukonat Kisama, Haka program Balapanlong Daga Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project MGMP Sessions 2 Hamariat Shillong. Ula aikus nam bad ai ruya kaching itho shaki riudon sab hakaliang kaput katem kibala palat ya kakatsan snem. Hakatika program laidan bintalang ru unong shakhat ngobha ubde u actor ne Bollywood star u John Abraham ubriu uba jajan bad it harui kisamla.
Abakran hakane kejimpen kuburom Menteri Rangba ola penken mau biang yaki klimat kipor bo udang singau tenat ban yo por bha ban pelut ha kaput katem pat kito kisngi jong kejing shirham kila sadu hapo kejimut berkat pat kibalak tak bha ya kejing im jong o.
Enough to also put her books in the mementos that were presented to the dignitaries. So her book on the recent Khasi lullaby that he had released at the Modernization Festival is also there in the token.
Policy making. The youth became the center of our approach as to what we need to do. It was not the schemes anymore, it was not the programs anymore, it was not the officials or the politicians anymore, it was what is good for the youth of our state this government will do. And that is why, if you've noticed in the last 5 to 6 years, the policies we created, the programs that we made were youth-centric. I remember as a youth, I was 21 years old. I just finished my undergrad from University of Pennsylvania. I thought I'll come back to my state, to my country, because my father told me, you can go and study in the US, but you better come back. My only condition is you will come back and you will give back whatever you have learned to our people, is what his condition was. I still remember. And I came back, and I was so excited to start my own business, and I was working and working and working, and I just looked around everywhere, and there was nobody to help me. There was nobody to even guide me. There was no schemes of the government. There was nothing that would motivate me to actually start my own business. There was no enterprising ecosystem or an entrepreneurship ecosystem existing in our state and the country also. To be among the top 10 states in the country, it cannot happen with Conrad Sangma or DP Walang alone. It can only happen if the state, if the people, and especially the youth, become part of this goal, of this objective, of this mission that we have. And that is why, friends, youth is at the center of the policies that we make. God has given me this opportunity to serve the state, to serve the people, and to be able to make this small but maybe significant difference in the lives of the musicians of our state. And so we are very happy, and maybe you can say the grassroots program that we're having is maybe one of the most satisfying programs for me, because I really see and feel the impact that it has, and to be able to make a difference in the lives of our young musicians and the youth in general really gives me a great sense of satisfaction, I must say. Second, of course, the music scene is very different today from what it was during our times. And I still remember, trying to figure out the notes of, some lead that had to be played once again and again and again. And, we all, to save the battery, we used to rewind it with pencil and all that stuff. So I'm sure you guys remember, some of you will remember those moments. And today you have YouTube, where you can just learn the keys, the solos, which we used to struggle to just even get a note of what it was. And of course, we didn't know what scales were. We just used to play as per whatever we could understand. So that the landscape has changed. There's a lot of technology now and a lot of opportunity there. And really, I would want our musicians to now start engaging at that level with the use of technology, with the use of different tools, and taking music to a new level. And therefore, it's a great time to be a musician. You have access to a lot of support from the government. You have a lot of access of technology today that can help you really, improve. But yes, there are some gaps, and I would be happy to listen to some of you. If not today, then you can always write to me. I am a very accessible person, I can tell you. And you can always share your ideas and thoughts on how maybe we could improve this particular program and make it even better.
Shopping in Pinkut in Pensobian Shapi, Kipangi Bokong San Sashisian. Menjur Kukunhul Mentri, Yabuntali ki Matna Kabenta ki Jingdon Kam Kajala. Kasorka Jala ka Yang Hakanong Rim Ban Om Shati Uranium Ong Umintri Rangba. Yatai ki MDC ya ka mangtingka balawan ra da u CEM menha kasi ba ar ha ka dorbar mangtingka ka KHDC Shakem Arngut way de udukot ka HNYF ba suba pen betay bom hathem motor Thangka Neso yaki kot jingpen bana CAA Hajan Office Embos Shillong Beliau Menteri Rangba ya sautali ki project ki bakentup banpen internet ya ka yaudu bat Wards Lake Yaki an lathau hayeng dorbar om hasurok ong urakam. Lingba ke MGMP yojing itho ki riodon sab hakaput katem. Dakito in Pinkut noi kani ka thup Khubor kani ka tiyo minta. Yin sia shembia mat phibaro hakatai koi pat katayo kabanwan kubli phibaro patyasa.